In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Access Violation C00005 error in Red Dead Redemption. So in case you're seeing this error while trying to play the game, this one on my screen right now, we're gonna try and fix it right now. So the way you can do this is actually not that hard. First, you want to open up your task manager on your computer, and this can be done by clicking right click on your taskbar where there's empty space and pressing task manager. In here, you want to look for two programs. The first one is MSI Afterburner, so type in MSI Afterburner and simply find it. Okay, so if it's not over here, it means it's not running. For me, I don't have that installed, but if you play the game, you likely will have that installed on your computer. So find it over here or search for it up here, and then after you find it, click on it and press End Task. So End Task up here, and that's it. The second thing you should find is RivetTuner. So RivetTuner, Statistics Server. Okay, there we go. So if that's not running for you, you may be able to find it under the name RTSS. So if you can find this, again, click on it and press End Task up here. So you should be closing down MSI Afterburner and the RivetTuner Statistics Server, or RTSS. If any of these are running, make sure it's shut down. Now, to make sure that's actually closed down, you want to click down here bottom right to show hidden icons and see if those things are actually completely shut down and not turned off anymore. If not, right click them and click exit or close or whatever there is to say. Now, the second thing would be to completely uninstall MSI Afterburner and RTSS in case just closing them down didn't work. And the way you can do this is two ways: by going to either Control Panel first on your computer, clicking over here where it says Programs, Programs and Features, and then in here finding the MSI Afterburner or RivetTuner Statistics Server or RTSS, clicking on it and clicking Uninstall. But if you can't find them in here, you may be able to find them inside the Windows uninstaller, which is found by going to search and typing in add or remove, there we go, programs, click on it. And in here, you can search for your MSI Afterburner and RivetTuner Statistics Server or RTSS. So make sure it's uninstalled in both of these, so in the control panel and over here, to make sure it's uninstalled completely. So that's the second step we've got. And then the third one you can do is, in case you're playing on Steam, so this is for Steam users only, you want to open up your Steam app, go to Library up here, and then find your game over here. So find the Red Dead Redemption, and then click on it, right click, Properties, go inside Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will scan all through the game files, and if there's any bad or missing files in there, it will replace them or reinstall them very quickly and efficiently, and hopefully fix your issue. Now, if nothing I just told you and showed you worked, there's one more thing you can do. You're not gonna like what you're gonna hear, however, it could work, okay? So we wanna go over here to the game yet again inside Steam, and then click on this Gear Manage icon, press Manage, and actually uninstall the game. Wait for the game to be uninstalled and then reinstall it again the way you did previously. So simply click Install over here once it's inside your library, and that's it. So hopefully some of this will fix your issue, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.